you. And if the night is kind, I'll stay for just a drink or two. Something held behind, not broken, just careful with the way she keeps her distance. I ask if I can sing, just something small and strange, in words I barely know but somehow never really change. The room goes quiet, slow, like people in without a plan, and suddenly it's not just me they're listening, they understand. Stories no one keeps around, the ones that almost disappear if no one says them